Hey, you're listening to Spiritual North. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to cover some space programming that was dealt out by KFC in their new chicken sandwich commercial, which came out about a month ago and was aired during the NBA Finals game on CBS last night, where Flat Earther Kyrie Irving led both teams in scoring and the Cleveland Cavs to their first Finals victory. Um, this commercial is full of space programming and dome symbolism. So we're just going to walk through the article real quick and look at some of the images and keep everyone up to date on the game at hand. NASA KFC fake space commercial and astronaut Colonel Sanders. KFC launches the new hashtag space sandwich, a deliberate fake space astronaut form of programming with a deliberate homage to NASA. Rob Lowe stars as Colonel Sanders in the new KFC NASA collaboration, presenting the quote space chicken sandwich commercial, full of dome symbolism and space propaganda. Check out a snippet of the commercial here. Please go to my website spiritualnorth.com to follow that link and observe the commercial for yourself. I cannot include it here, otherwise the video will not be playable. This is Rob Lowe playing Colonel Sanders as a fake astronaut. Note the KFC patch and its direct symbolism with NASA with the swoop and the stars. This is the Neil Man Walks on the Moon reference. KFC zinger to go to space. Subheader will leave boring terrestrial chicken sandwiches behind. Well, I happen to think that our terrestrial land is not boring at all. But KFC is now sending a chicken sandwich to space so they can join the Masonic-initiated actors club who pretends to have gone there. This is their homage to the dome, the alleged dome on flat Earth. Whether or not there is a dome, I don't know. We see a lot of symbolism for it. This is the KFC logo on the back of this astronaut here, and you can see the swoop. In KFC with the rocket that loves going sideways to get into space. Note the KFC logo is a deliberate homage to NASA and the dome symbolism on the screen. You don't really get more overt dome symbolism than something like this. This is right up there with the Simpsons episode where they literally put Springfield in a dome. And of course you have all your metrics and your biometrics and your reading and your blueprints and your specs, and it looks like a mad scientist laboratory or a Apollo launch headquarters zone. Speaking of the zone, this is another homage to NASA. Note the maps of the world and the patches. In the center is the space chicken sandwich. It is under observation, experimentation, and analysis. These are all your data crunchers here along the left and the right. This is your KFC space station headquarters. Note the maps of the world on the screens. This is the warfare at hand. This is the game afoot. And then of course the crowning touch. What would a space chicken sandwich be if it could not actually get out of the enclosed system? The KFC NASA space chicken sandwich dome symbolism raises questions as to the intentions of KFC. Personally, I think the amount of dome symbolism is potentially indicative of that being untrue. Obviously, I have not gone up and touched anything in the area of low Earth orbit, and it's quite well possible no other terrestrially bound human being has. Which is to say every human being. The jury's out on the nature of the dome, but it is very clear that NASA and KFC want to incorporate dome symbolism in their new fake space chicken sandwich. So Flat Earthers, I encourage you to hashtag some of your posts in the future as space sandwich. I think it's a really interesting meme to appropriate. As now we just have KFC NASA telling us the truth. Actors play astronauts. Rob Lowe is an actor, and he plays a fake astronaut. So the veil is thinning and the truth is becoming more and more salient. Big ups to all my researchers and flat earthers out there. Thanks for listening to Spiritual North. Have a great day.